What's the meaning of black bottom? Black bottom. Black bottom.
Black bottom. Black bottom. Black bottom can have a few different meanings depending on the context. In music, it often refers to a style of jazz dance that originated in the 1920s and was popularized by African American performers. The term can also refer to a type of dessert or pastry that consists of a chocolate layer on the bottom and a cream cheese layer on top.